Hello students, so this session is about form filling of Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University, which is a state university of government of NCT of Delhi, and IPU CET 2026. The registration window is from 2nd February 26 to 31st March 26, exam date from 25th April 26 to 17th May 26, and application fee for each program 2500 rupees plus taxes, service charges wherever applicable. Now, various programs are there in university, schools and affiliated institutes. So some non-science programs are integrated BA LLB honors, integrated BBA LLB honors, BBA, BA journalism and mass communication, hotel management and catering technology, BMS, BCom honors, BA in English, economics, BA in liberal arts with major in history, sociology and political science, psychology. Now this is the website ipu.admissions.nic.in. Now once you click this, this is the website, this is the registration, and here it is admission brochure. Now it is advisable that you download this admission brochure and see what courses you need to apply, their eligibility and various other details. This is the prospectus. Let me show you the criteria for some programs. Now for example, if we talk of BBA, if you'll see admission through NLT, CET/CUET in order of priority. So the first priority is the national level test. The second priority is IPU common entrance test. And third priority is CUT. Now what does this mean? Now for example, the courses like MBBS where the national level test NEET is required, BTech where the national level test J is there, or for that matter, if we talk of 5-year integrated programs in law, the national level test is CLAT, right? So wherever there is a national level test, the first priority is that. If the seats are still there, then the next preference is CET. Now there may be courses where the CET is not there. For example, MBBS, you have only national level test. But for example, if we talk of BBA, the priority is CET, IPU CET first, and then if the seats are vacant, CUET. Now there is no national level test for BBA through which the admission will be taken for IPU, right? So eligibility, pass in 12th class with a minimum of 50% marks, and also must have English as core or functional as subject. Admission shall be on the basis of merit of CET. The vacant seats after exhausting the merit list of CET will be filled through CUET. Subjects of the entrance test CET: English language 25%, general awareness 25%, logical and analytical ability 25%, aptitude relating to the field of management and communication is 25%, and CUET subject combination is English Business Studies GAT. If we talk of BCom honors, the priority is CET first, followed by CUET. This is the eligibility, you can go through it, and this is the CET entrance test subjects, right, for BCom honors, and subject combination for CUET. Now again, prospectus, you can have all this information in detail. Now scheme of IPU CET, common entrance test, mode of examination offline OMR, 100 objective type questions, each question carrying 4 marks, 1 mark will be directed for incorrect answer, time 2 hours 30 minutes, 400 marks, 100 into 4, total 400 marks paper. The medium of all the tests will be English only except for B.Ed, for which the test shall be in English and Hindi. There will be no rounding off of the percentage of marks of qualifying examination. For example, if a candidate obtained 49.99% marks, then it will not be rounded off to 50%. Clear? Now seat allocation, NCR National Capital Region, NCT of Delhi. Delhi region, it's a state university, so 85% of the sanctioned seats for Delhi region. The candidates shall be considered as Delhi region candidates if they have passed the qualifying examination from any school, institute located in NCT of Delhi. Outside Delhi region, 15% of sanctioned intake, the candidates shall be considered as outside Delhi region candidate if they have passed the qualifying examination from any school, institute located outside Delhi. Clear? This is the seat allocation. Admissions through the merit of CUET shall be carried out after exhausting of merit of respective NLT/CET. It is again reiterated that the admission through CUET shall be done only after exhausting the merit of CET in these programs where university is taking CET. Is this clear now? Now age limit. For all UG programs where every entry qualification is 12th pass other than MBBS, As on 1st of August 2026, the candidate should not be beyond 21 years. This is the age limit. Now let's come to the form. We have to go to this website, ipu.admissions.nic.in. This will open. You have to click IPU Registration 2026. Once you click this, you will be redirected to an external website. Click OK. This will open. Now first you have to register new candidate registration. This is new candidate registration. Click this and advisable to read all these conditions carefully. Still, I will discuss some important points. So step 1 is registration form. The candidate should supply the required details while filling the online registration form and is also required to create user ID and password. Note, registration is a one-time activity. Candidates will be able to fill application forms for all eligible examination courses with the same user ID and password. Clear? Step 2, application form. The candidate can log in with the pre-created user ID and password for completing the application form. Upload scanned images and documents as applicable. You have to see जहाँ पर PDF है और JPG image है, that has to be taken care. Step 3, fee payment. After completing step 2, the candidate have to pay the requisite examination fee. Note, candidate has to fill separate application forms and follow step 2 and 3 for all examination courses in which he or she wishes to apply. Clear? So step 1 registration is common. For every course, you have to follow step 2 and step 3 for every examination course, right? Candidate must follow below instructions to choose the user ID key conditions, password conditions. Just pause the video and read all these conditions. So now we will register. Please all read all this carefully, and then you have to click I agree. Click over here, and then this will be opened. Consent form for examination purpose. So you have to give your consent that your candidate, your name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, gender, all these information has been collected for examination purpose. So you have to check all. You see, this is first condition, check all. You can individually also, you can check all also, and then I agree. You agree switch is there, button is there, right? Agree button पे click करोगे, यहाँ पे click करोगे तो do you wish to save? Yes, and this will open. Now you have to fill the name, father name, mother name, date of birth, gender, mobile number, choose user ID and password, check the availability, choose your password, confirm password, security pin, and submit. Verification of mobile number or email address is mandatory to get registered successfully. So these are self-explanatory. You input this. Please enter the mobile number carefully. Entered mobile number must belong to you or your parents only. This mobile number will be used to send OTP for various important and sensitive activities. This mobile number must be activated. All the activities must not be completed. You will be responsible for any misuse of. तो ये conditions पढ़ लो. Similarly for email also, and then submit. Do you wish to submit? Yes. तो आपके डिटेल्स आ जाएंगे. मैंने अपना फॉर्म भरा है, जतिंदर वोरा, राइट. देन फादर नेम, मदर नेम, डेट ऑफ बर्थ, मेल, मोबाइल नंबर, यूजर आईडी, password. Then final submit. If you want to edit, you can edit also. Final submit, and you will get the OTP. So fill the OTP, security pin, verify, and final submit. You are registered now, right? User ID will be displayed. So I have masked it for obvious reasons. Candidate name Jatinder Vohra. You have successfully generated user ID and password. Please note down the user ID shown above for future references. Kindly log in and complete your profile. Click to login and complete profile. Now you are registered. You will have your user ID, you will have your password. Again, coming back to that website, you will have to input user ID, password, security pin, sign in. They will ask for an OTP send, right? Send OTP on mobile or email. You have to click send OTP, and once you input the OTP, this page will open. Now this is a dashboard. Apply for UG, apply for PG, PhD, my application. This is a dashboard. So various programs are listed. So first you have to complete your personal details, and that is also will be common for all other programs also. Now what you will do, first and foremost, let me show you what are the various programs for UG. So it's BCA, you have BBA, you have journalism and mass communication, you have BCom honors, right? You have BA in English, right? BA economics, all the programs are listed. Okay? BMS, first and foremost, let's begin with BBA and light programs. So यहाँ पे complete your personal details, and this will all again be fetched, and that will be used for other programs also. So you input security pin. Dear candidate, you need to submit basic details to generate common profile. ठीक है? After generation to common profile, you can apply to multiple courses through same details. Kindly ensure that a complete application for individual program is done by generation of common profile. Submitting educational details, uploading documents, and payment of non-refundable registration fees. You need to complete all mentioned steps before last date of registration for corresponding program. So this common profile will be generated, which will be used for other programs also. Click OK and personal details. So personal details, name, father name, that will be displayed. Then category, whatever category you are, you have to fill that. So self-explanatory. So 10th based mark sheet, right? उस हिसाब से name, father name, mother name, date of birth, gender, category. Save and next. Do you wish to save? Yes. Correspondent address. And if it is same as permanent address, you save and next. Do you wish to save? Yes. Then upload document, photograph, and school living certificate, date of birth. So 10th certificate. You can, this is JPG and this is PDF, right? Choose file, the limits are mentioned, 10 KB to 200 KB and so on and so forth. Submit and preview, passport photo, 10th certificate, right? Save and next. Do you wish to save? Okay. So view filled form. So your personal common details will be filled. And you have to start from a particular program. This is filled. Now we are applying. Click here to apply. So we are applying for BBA and allied. I'm giving an example. You can apply to BCA. You can apply to BCom honors by looking at their eligibilities. So I'm showing you one example. BBA and allied programs. Click here to apply. Input security pin. You have selected BBA and allied programs. Are you sure you want to apply? Proceed. So again, please review the purpose for which your personal data will be collected and provide your consent to proceed. So candidate name will be collected, father name, mother name, date of birth, gender. Check, you can check all, right? Permanent address, and then agree. Once you click agree, do you wish to save? Yes. You have successfully registered. Please note down the application number for future references. So application number will be displayed. Kindly fill all the forms to complete the application process. So this is registration is done. Common data has been collected. Now click the application form. Now application form will be filled. So it will be displayed name, father name, mother name, date of birth, gender, nationality. Fill all these details, right? Nationality, Indian, whether you're from Delhi or outside Delhi, religion, category. These details, other information, visible mark of identification. So self-explanatory. Do you have a PAR ID? Click yes. If not, no. Right? And then bank account details for the refund, if any. So name of account holder, account number, fill all these details. Save and next. Right? Save and next. Do you wish to save? Yes. Then qualification details. Class 10th or equivalent. You have to fill all these details for every program you wish to apply, right? Some information will be common like registration and common, but other information will be filled every time you fill for a particular course and particular program. So class 10th or equivalent, passing status, passing year, roll number, qualifying board, self-explanatory. Then 12th, whether it's appearing or passed, whatever the situation is, condition is, save and next. Exam center details, center list 1, right? Choose exam city, 3 options you can fill, save and next. Correspondent address, right? Save and next. Now, if the correspondence and permanent address is same, click this. If it is different, you can click that ways. Now see this upload document images. So photograph already uploaded, right? Then signature, you have to choose the file, live photograph, then 10th class passing certificate, qualifying exam if it is passed, for example 12th, if it is not then appearing, okay? For appearing, upload last result declared mark sheet. preview and upload. You have to once you will choose a file, every time you have to preview and upload, otherwise it will not be, then the final upload will be done. So every time you will choose a file, you have to preview and click the upload, then it will be uploaded. Live photograph, two ways: upload using webcam. If you are filling from let's say you can upload the live photograph from your laptop also, and it's advisable to fill the form always through laptop, right, not through mobile. It is never advisable to fill the form through mobile, right? Upload using webcam, or you can also upload using your mobile. So QR code for image upload, if you click this is through mobile. So scan the QR code using the camera on your mobile device. The upload link will open securely in your mobile browser. You may capture a live image, and that can be uploaded there also. And it can be uploaded using webcam also of your laptop. So once you, so I upload my photograph through webcam of laptop. So it captured my live image. I have masked it, captured live image. Then 10 certificate, qualifying marks 12th, if it is appearing, then last, upload finally and next. Upload document, images, previous, save, next. When it is uploaded, you save and next, preview and final submit, and you have to click the declaration. Save and final submit. Kindly verify all the details carefully before final submission. Once submitted, these credentials cannot be changed again. Do you wish to final submit? Yes, and this will open. See, there's an option of edit also. If you do not want to final submit, you can do that also. But once you finally submit, this will be shown. Application progress status, view consent details completed, application form completed, qualification details, exam details, contact details, upload document images completed, final submit, pay registration fee incomplete. So only step which is left for BBA application is fee. Your registration process has not been completed yet. For completion, kindly pay the required fee. Only after payment of required fee, your application will be considered for further processing. So pay registration fee, and once you pay the fee, your application will be submitted, right? This you have to do for other programs also. Once this is done for, let's say I have shown you an example of BBA, FIA. This, for example, if you want to apply for BC, if you are eligible, or BMS or BCom honors, you have to again click here to apply. The common information will be fetched, but various details will again be step 2 and step 3 will again have to be done for each program, right? So again advisable, download the prospectus, read carefully, read the programs carefully, read the various colleges which have those programs, and if you are eligible for those programs and if you want to apply, then fill the application form. Then if you select, let's say, BMS other program, again, are you sure want to apply, and then every step will be followed again. So all the best for IPU CET form filling first, and then your preparation, your board exam preparation, and finally your examination season after the board exam. All the best for that. God bless you, and thank you.